Hello people, welcome one and all to Jojo's Learning Club.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Jojo's Learning Club. So today I will be dealing with polynomial division. So to understand better on polynomial division, let's do some long division using numbers. So you get a better understanding on polynomial division. So I have written here two numbers, two divisions, right? 224 divided by 16. So what is the divisor in it? 16 is the divisor and 224 is the dividend. So let's do this long division. So 224, right? And now I'm going to divide it by 16. For while doing, you can see that 2, you can't do it 2, so you take the second number 2, again you write 16, it goes one time 16, and you have a remainder of 6, and again it won't go with 6, so what do you write? You take off this 4 and write it over here. Now you know that 16 is completely divisible by 4, and you have 64 here. 0 is our remainder. So what is 14 over here? 14 is the quotient, and 0 is our remainder, right? And 224 is our dividend and 16 is our divisor. And now let's write another number, so for you to better understand with remainder. So 173 divided by 15. So here it goes again 15. You have a 2, you want to go with 2, so you write here again 3, so it goes again 1, 15, and you have a remainder 8. So how can you express this terms? So 173 by 15, you know that it is a improper fraction. Why? With the numerator is greater than the denominator. So now I can express improper fractions in terms of a number that is the quotient plus remainder divided by the divisor, or simply you can represent it as 11 8 by 15. So this is how you do long division with numbers and you find the answer. And now let's come back to the polynomial division. So polynomial is something which is written in the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube and so on. So for that I'll write it again. So f of x is equal to a into, why there is no x term? Because actually it is x raised to 0 plus b into x raised to 1. So the value of power of x goes on increasing, and the c, a, b and d, all these are constants. So cx square, dx cube, the next term would be ex raised to 4, like that. So a, b, c, d, e are the constants. Constants, what do I mean by constants? That is, you can't change that value. For example, in this equation, 2x square plus x square, 2x square plus x minus 3. So how can you write in terms of polynomial? So what is here actually? This is the a's value, right? And so you can write it as minus 3 plus the x. The x term is with b, right? So what is the value of b over here? Value of b is 1 into x, right? Next one is 2x square. So value of 2 here is 2x square. So this is a polynomial expression. And now let's understand how to do division using polynomial expressions. So for that, I'm taking the first problem A. 2x square plus x minus 3 by x minus 1. Okay, so let's do the calculation. 2x square plus x minus 3. So I'm going to do long division. So x minus 3. So when you want to do polynomial division, the first step you have to do is you have to write the numbers in their descending order. That is, with the x power, with the highest power you have to write first. Same for divisor and dividend. So this is the first step you have to do. Only then you will come into an exact answer, or it will lead you to a wrong answer. So whenever you have a polynomial division, the first thing you have to make sure is that to write the highest power numbers. For example, 2x square plus x minus 3. So this should be the order which you should be given. And the next step is, so you have to check the first term of dividend and the first term of divisor. So right, and you have to divide it to 2x square by x. What it would be? 2x. So this 2x you have to write in the top of the dividend. I hope you are understanding. So now after that you have to multiply this with the divisor. So it is 2x square minus 2x, and this value should be written over here. Okay, so 2x square minus 2x. Okay, so you can see that what we used to do for here, using long division with numbers, we used to minus that, right? So you have to minus here also. So minus 2x minus 2x minus 2x, it would become plus 2x. So write this term again back, and now you have to write this term together here. Again, repeat the same process. So here the first term is 3x, right? So 3x, and the first term of the divisor is x. So what should be written over there? Plus 3. So you write 2x into 3 is 3x minus 3 into minus 3. So it was minus 1, right? I made a mistake. It was minus 1. So minus 1 into 3, it is minus 3. Again, make subtraction. So what it would become? Minus, and here it would become plus. So it would be cancelled down, and your remainder here is 0. So this is how you do polynomial divisions. And if you have any doubt in the answer which you have got, what you have to do, you can just multiply the quotient into divisor, which is equal to dividend. So let's check whether our answer is correct or not. So for that, this is our quotient, 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. So I'm going to find if I get this dividend, then our answer is correct. So 2 into x, 2x square, again 2x into minus 1, 2x into minus 1, that is minus 2x, then 3 into x, that is 3x, and 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So you can write 2x square plus x minus 3. See, these are same. So this is how you do long division or polynomial division. So I hope it's clear. And now let's do 3 more problems so you'll get a better understanding on polynomial division. Okay. So we have done our first problem, 2x square plus x minus 3 by x minus 1, and we got the quotient as 2x plus 3. Now let's do the second problem, B. Yeah, this is a very important problem which will make you understand the another features of polynomial division. So divided by x plus y. So now what is your dividend? X cube plus y cube. Okay, and now I'm going to do long division or polynomial division right here. So same as in the first problem, what is the first term over here? It is x. It is x. So it should be written here x square. Okay, now what you have to check, you have to multiply the divisor with x square. So what it is? X square, x cube plus x square y. But here when you check the dividend, you don't see that numbers, right? So what you have to do before writing these numbers, so you have to add here a 0 x square y, which is nothing but 0, because I don't want to make any mistakes. That's why I'm writing here with a 0 x square. Then what is the another term? Y cube. So okay, right? So it is 0, nothing else. So just when you do write it down here, x cube plus x square y. And now what I am going to do the next step, I will be minusing it, same as in division. So this gets cancelled down, and now you have minus x square y plus y cube, right? Okay, now again repeat the process, minus x square y by the first term, that is x. So what is the answer? X gets cancelled down and minus xy. So what should be here written? It should be written minus xy over here. So again multiply minus xy into x plus y. What it is? Minus xy square minus x square y, and here it is minus xy square, right? But you can again see that there is no term minus xy square. So what you do here again, you have to add xy square 0 plus y cube, right? So this is how you write. So now you can write down this here 0xy square, so you don't make any mistake. It is not necessary that you have to write this, but it would be a better, so you will not make any mistakes in the problem. So 0xy square, and now you can see minus xy, so minus xy square y, and here what it is, minus xy square, and now division you should do subtraction, right? So positive here get cancelled, and it is here xy square plus y cube. And now what is the first term here? Xy square. Xy square, again do it repeatedly by x, then you will get y square. So here it should be y square. So now multiply this y square with x plus y. What it would be? Y square into x plus y cube, right? Y square into x, which is same as xy square. So I'm writing it over here plus y cube, and now you have to minus it. So minus, again here also minus, so it get cancelled, and your remainder is 0. And this is how you perform polynomial division. I hope it's clear. And now let's do another problem. So now let's do the problem number C. What is the problem? So x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. So what kind of polynomial it is? So when it is of root 2 is the highest power, then you say it as a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation here given, right? But we have to do the polynomial division. So x square plus 3x minus 2. Now we are going to do the polynomial division for this x minus 2. Remember that when you take the first number, it is x square here. So you have to multiply with x square minus 2 into x minus 2x, right? Now do minus, and here it would become minus x square, and here it is minus, it was, now it would become plus, so 5x minus 2, right? 5x minus 2. Now what you have to do again, you have to multiply with, add with 5, so that it becomes 5x. X into 5, 5x, minus 2 into 5, minus 10. So your answer would be minus, and again plus here. So it would be 8 is the remainder, and it is completely divisible, right? So this is how you represent problems using this, okay? So what is your answer for that? So x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2 is same as how you would write in long division using numbers. You write the quotient. Again, what is the remainder over here? Remainder by the divisor, x minus 2. Let's check the answer is same. For that, what you have to do? X plus 5 into x minus 2. Take the denominators of the same value. Check it whether you have the same value. So x square minus 2x plus 5x minus 10 plus 8 by x minus 2. So it is x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. So you have the same answer, and this is how you do polynomial division. Yeah, and you have to write in terms like this. So now let's do the problem number D. So I'm going to write, so first the dividend 4a cube minus 6a square b plus 5b cube, right? This is our dividend, and I'm going to do the long division here, 2a minus b. So check out first number 2a, and here it is 4a cube. So to get that, you have to multiply here with 2a square. So you get here 4a cube, and minus b into 2a square b is minus b2, okay, minus 2a square b, and now you have here minus and here plus, so you can write this back again, minus 4a square b. So again check the next number, what it would be, minus 4a square b by 2a. So what it would be, a will get cancelled and here it will go here, so minus 2ab. So write this minus 2ab back here, okay? So minus 2ab into 2a minus b. What are the terms? Minus 4a square b minus plus 2ab square. So this is, but we don't have ab square. So what you have to write here? 0ab square. So you don't make any mistakes. So just write this term again back here, minus 4a square b plus 2ab square. Again do the subtraction, so it will become plus and this will become minus. So this get cancelled and plus minus minus. So minus 2ab square plus 5b cube, right? Now what you have to check, again check the first term, minus 2ab square by 2a. So this get cancelled and what it would be, minus b square, right? So minus b square you have to do to get this value. So check what it would be, become with 2a minus b into minus b square, what it would be, minus 2ab square plus b cube, right? So write again back this. So minus 2ab square plus b cube, it would be again plus, again here minus, so this get cancelled and you have a remainder 4b cube. And how can you express it? As I said, when you have an improper fraction, so this is like a kind of similar to an improper fraction and it is not completely divisible. When it is completely divisible, you will get a remainder 0, but we have a remainder here. So when you have a remainder, you have to write quotient plus remainder by divisor. So let's write that. What is the quotient over here? 2a square minus 2ab minus b square plus 4b cube by 2a minus b. So this is your final answer. I hope everything is clear. On my next topic, I will be covering on factorial theorem, where I will be discussing on more problems on polynomial division and so on. So that's all for today's video and see you on my next lecture. Bye bye.